guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Splitwise account. Keep watching the video till the end. To recover your Splitwise account, firstly open your Splitwise application. The sign up page of Splitwise will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option. Enter your email address associated with the Splitwise account. Now, to recover your account, firstly tap on Forgot Your Password. On the next page, enter your email address or phone number and then tap on Reset Password. Before tapping on Reset Password, click or tick mark on the box to verify that you are not a robot. Select the square boxes as directed and then tap on Next. An email will be sent with the reset link, so open your email and tap on Mail sent by Splitwise. Scroll down and tap on Reset Link. Enter your new password and tap on tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can recover your Splitwise account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.